Namaste everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel English Raju. In this video, we are going to discuss omission of article. In the past two videos, we have discussed what are the articles and how to use the definite article and indefinite article. This is a third video on articles. What is omission of article? Omission in the sense omitting, leaving or excluding, not using. In some of the conditions, we should not use articles. What are those conditions? So first, before the names of, the same point we used in definite article also, before the names of oceans, seas, rivers, such a way. Many names before we used article. That to proper noun. Name is nothing but proper noun, exact name. Same way, there are some names which we should not use the article. There are some names where we should not use articles. So what are those names? First person name, the Raju, you should not use. Okay. Country names before, the India, the America, we should not use. But I mentioned one point, singular country names before, the West Indies, the Philippines, the Netherlands, we can use because they are ended by S. They are ended by S. But generally country name before we should not use. The USA, the UK we can use because USA, UK represents the abbreviation, group of countries. Both the conditions are there. So that is okay. But the America we should not use. An American we can use because American is the collective noun. The Americans we can use because Americans are the nationality. The India we should not use. An Indian we can use. The Indians we can use because Indian collective noun before, singular collective noun before, indefinite article. Indians, nationality before the article, but only general country name before we should not use any article. Next, game name before also we should not use. Cricket, that's all. The cricket, the coco, the hockey we should not use. We should not use. But games representing some groups like boards, the BCCI board, the coco board, okay, the hockey board, such a way any boards are mentioned means that name okay, but game name before we should not use any article. Next, metals before, gold, silver, lead, platinum, copper, name of metals before we should not use article. Next, colors, white, the black, the red, the blue we should not use. Day, what is the day? Monday, Tuesday, the Monday, the Tuesday we should not use. The January, the February, the March we should not use. Next, season before, the winter, the rainy, the summer we should not use. Meal, the lunch, the breakfast, the brunch which we do generally between lunch and breakfast, brunch, the snacks, the supper or the dinner we should not use. Next, languages, the English, the Telugu, the Kannada, the Malayalam we should not use. Diseases before also, the cancer, the leprosy, we should not use any article. But if the diseases are representing the flu or plague, the flu accepted, the plague is also accepted. Next, relationship name before also, the mother, the father is a wrong usage. So try to understand, when you want to represent any one of these names, you should not use article. But if they are specified, if they are in the specified condition, we should use the article. How? Metal there, gold, generally we should not use. But the gold which you have is mine, I can use. Suppose game we should not use. The hockey we should not use. But Dhyan Chand, the hockey player, we can use. Dhyan Chand, the hockey player we can use. Such a way, when they are specified, we should use. Am I clear? Next, before the abstract nouns and uncountable nouns, we should not use any articles. What are the abstract nouns and uncountable nouns? I have mentioned in my topic of noun. Okay, abstract means it is a name of quality, that is honesty, no article. Advice, no article. And the water, the milk, we should not use. Okay. And next, before the schools, colleges, universities, hospitals, temple, mosque, church, chair, bed, prison, such a way there are some words. They have their own purpose. Suppose school, college, university for education purpose. Temple, mosque, church, gurudwar for worshipping purpose. Hospital for treatment purpose. Prison for crime purpose. Bed for sleeping. Chair for sitting. Such a way, these are the special things which are already specified for a purpose. In that purpose, if you wanted to use, no article is used. No article is used. But if it is a secondary purpose, we should use the article. How? Suppose I went to temple. Indirectly, the meaning is worshipping. Indirectly, the meaning is worshipping, praying. But if I say, I went to the temple to meet my friend, it is a secondary purpose. I am not going to worshipping the God. I am going to meet my friend. So, as it is a secondary purpose, I used here the article. I used here the article. I went to the hospital to meet one of my friends. To meet one of my friends. Such a way, when there is a secondary purpose, we should use the article. Primary purpose, no article. And especially we need to remember the specified condition. When it is specified at that time, okay. He is the Kalam who gave seminar at the university. He is the Kalam who has given seminar at the university. Such a way, when it is specified at that time, we should use the article, but remaining conditions, no article. Same way, when these are mentioned in secondary purpose, we should use the article. So, in these ways or in these conditions, we should not use any article. So, I hope the article is very clear to all of you. So, once again, just go through my videos. If you do not understand, surely you will get it. If you have a doubt, just type it at the comment box. I will reply to your question. Thank you all.